Let's unpack this bad boy. This is the Champion Innovator welcome box. I am a GD, Google Developer Expert in Cloud Platform, and therefore, consequentially, I am a Champion Innovator in Modern Architecture, because that's my category. And I was added to the Champion Innovators maybe a month ago. So now I am part of the program, and I had the right to the box, to the welcome box. So what are these two programs, Google Developer Experts and Google Cloud Champion Innovators? Why do they exist? Why does anyone want to be one? Well, both of them essentially you can describe as ambassadors of Google technologies. Google Developer Experts exist in multiple different categories, from web and Flutter and ML AI, of course, cloud, maps, Android, loads of technologies that Google develops or encourages the community to develop. At the same time, you have different subcategories. For example, I am a Google Developer Expert in cloud, in modern architecture, which fits with what I do. Generally, I architect clouds, I architect platforms. Within the GDs, we get a recognition plate, like the YouTube button, and it looks like this. I got mine last year, I think. They are not automatically published for everyone or printed for everyone. And you can see that you have a space here for all of your badges. And I put on experts program and the technologies, obviously Ukrainian flags and different badges related to Ukraine, and just pins that I've had in my collection and didn't know what to do with them. I don't necessarily wear pins, so this is very handy to put them on. Now, at some point, the Google Cloud team started the Innovators program, which was designed to bring together people who are working specifically with Google Cloud and who are innovating, who are creating new things with Google Cloud. And at some point, you have innovators and you can have champion innovators. Of course, a GD in Google Cloud and a champion innovator sounds very similar. Let's have a look at what they are defined as. Wikipedia says that a Google Developer Expert is a person recognized by Google as having exemplary expertise in technologies or Google products. GDs are awarded by membership in the Google Developers Expert program established and administered by Google. It is important to note that none of us work for Google. None of us represent Google wherever we go. And in fact, if you begin working for Google, you lose your membership in these programs. So it's purely for community. Then that's really that. GDEs are people who are passionate about technology and who want to go out and share that passion and share the things that they've learned. And they're recognized by Google and championed by Google, which is great because we would do this anyway. Now, who are innovators or champion innovators? The official page of Champion Innovators says, Champion Innovators are a global network of more than 500 professionals nominated by Googlers who are technical experts in Google Cloud products and services. Each champion specializes in one of 9 different technical categories. And the categories are Cloud AI and ML, Data Analytics, Databases, Google Workplace, Hybrid Multi-Cloud, Modern Architecture, Security and Networking, Serverless App Development, and Storage. I am a GD in Modern Architecture, and so I've been added to Champion Innovators in Modern Architecture. So Champion Innovators are really circled around Google Cloud technologies, whereas GDs can be in web or mobile or any of the other categories. And it's a much more broad and diverse, technologically diverse crowd. And there are more of them, naturally, because there are more technologies. I asked if I could somehow get a second category in the Champion Innovators program. Security and networking would be my thing. I am really into security. I love everything that has to do with it. And they said that currently the applications are not open and I would need to apply and pass the interviews when I want to get in. So that's that. Let's get back to opening the box. I am so excited about this because, let me tell you, I know a couple of Champion Innovators and I have been lusting over their backpacks because they look amazing. It's not a backpack style that I would gravitate towards myself. It is a roll-up, like the top is roll-up, but let me tell you, it's beautiful. It looks gorgeous. I can see the backpack. I can see it over there, but also there is a jacket. So let's unpack. We have a hat. This is gonna be handy when I am cycling in the rain to and from my gym. We have a welcome letter. We have a welcome letter which says, "Welcome to the Champion Innovator tier of the Google Cloud Innovator program. As a champion, we recognize your technical knowledge and expertise in Google Cloud products and services. We're so excited for you to join our community and look forward to getting to know you better. Please accept these welcome gifts and a program jacket. Each year you are a member of the program, you will receive a new commemorative patch to adhere. For special events, we may also give out additional patches for you to collect." I have that! I have a patch! I have a patch! This is the patch from Cloud Next London last year. I have a patch! Let's see. Let's have a look at the jacket. They're hyping up. Wow. Okay. Okay, this is a proper bomber jacket. Let me put this on the side. This is heavy duty. Wow, this is cool. And you have just a very, very, very subtle Champion Innovator badge over there. It's almost invisible. Okay, we're gonna try this on. Is it orange inside? Yes, it is orange inside. Do you know what? This is exactly what I needed. I didn't have a jacket that is like this material. I have a leather jacket, I have coats, I have all sorts of things, but not a winter, but a heavy duty jacket. Hey! Should I take it with me to Austria? I'm going to Austria tomorrow. Let's see. Okay. Should I put it right here? The box is back. We have this little thingy. Leatherman. Oh, I know what it is. I know what's in this box. Because why am I filming this video? Because I also watched other people's videos with what's inside the Champion Innovators welcome box. So this will be something that I'm actually quite surprised about. As a European and someone who doesn't go like into the woods and the mountains that often, I don't know what to do with this. But it is a knife, a multi-tool. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, that's actually, I know what to do with this. This is a very useful tool, pliers. And then you have, okay, I take that back. Listen, I take that back. There is an X screwdriver, a flat screwdriver / little chisel. Okay, a little bit of a scissor situation right here. And it folds in. What I have here, a knife. Okay, so let's hide the knife. This is fun. Oh, I think it's, oh, there's a safety mechanism. Okay, great. And then if I open it like this, I can push out the other tools, I think. Okay, so we have a can opener. Actually, this is sharp. This is a can opener / bottle opener. And something that is a file / a ruler. You have inches and centimeters, like 5 centimeters, but still handy, right? Okay, Leatherman. This is great. Next, we have a Fitbit. Fitbit Charge 5 Advanced Fitness and Health Tracker. Now, you might have noticed that I have all of the rings that you need to know about on my left hand right now. I have an Oura. I have an Oura ring. I've been using it for over a year and I'm very happy about it. So this might go to someone as a present. Fitbit Charge 5, I have no idea what generation this is. We shall have a look online. It includes small and large sizes, I guess, of the strap, and a 6-month premium trial. What does premium trial mean? Does Fitbit also have subscription-based? The big criticism of Oura has been around the fact that they have a subscription service. You have to pay for the use of the app. It's like $5.99 a month. It's not that much for the amount of insight and ideas and knowledge about my own body and how it functions that I get from this. What am I trying to say? Is that I have a fitness device that I am obsessed with, but how good is it? How good is it to have a welcome box with a Fitbit inside? I have a lanyard, Champion Innovators lanyard. Okay, so if I go somewhere into conferences and stuff, I can probably wear this. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. And this, I'm so excited. And this is the famous backpack. Okay, let's do it. Put it this way. This is a very nice backpack. It's heavy. So my backpack of choice is Peak Design Everyday Backpack. That backpack is the best backpack that exists. But this, I'm telling you, I've been looking at this. It's so cool. It is waterproof and you get loads of space inside. You get a padded laptop sleeve in here, and I think it opens up. Oh, yeah. Wow. That's a lot of space and storage. You have a laptop sleeve, you have an iPad sleeve, you have a zip pocket, you have 2 kind of pockets here for your beverages, for example. You have another zip pocket here. Wow, this is legit. You have a zip pocket here with loops to put your pens if you are traveling with those. Maybe you do some design or some sketching on the go, like hidden stuff. And this is really, really heavily padded. Yeah. And I think you have a secret compartment. So in the back here, oh no, it's not a secret compartment. It is to put it on your suitcase, of course. This boy is coming with me to Austria. This is coming with me to Austria. I'm so excited. You have a big pocket, kind of very flat. I don't know what you want to put here. Maybe papers or tickets or an extra bag, for example. And of course, little side pockets over here that open. Oh, this has a phone icon. So you can put your phone in there. Okay, fine. That seems sensible. And then you have another pocket here. I suspect that this would be a water bottle. Yes, this is a water bottle pocket, because you usually, you need somewhere to stick your water bottle on the side of your backpack. And then it just rolls down like that, and you have the Google Cloud Innovators. This looks so sick on everyone I've seen wear it. So I'm very excited to have it. So that is all. I'm so happy, so happy. So this has been what's inside the Google Cloud Champion Innovators welcome box. I hope you found this entertaining, at least. And if you have any questions about the programs, let me know. And if you are waiting for your own box, and this is why you watched this video, because why else would you watch this video, then shout in the comments. And congratulations on being accepted to the program. And let's hang out, let's chat. Hopefully we'll see each other in one of the events, conferences and stuff like that. If you want to watch another video about conferences that I go to, you can see some of them over there. And if not, see you next time.